Cleated, an inside look of the Philadelphia Steelers 2018 training camp. The dog days of summer. The Steelers are feeling the heat from both the sun and the pressure to perform and go hard in practice.
For sure. Where'd it go, kid? I'm there for sure.
Definitely on that field, I'll take that much.
Ready to go, Jimmy! Gotta love it, baby. Ready to go.
Coach Steve gathers the team to let them know about some things that he's seen on the internet and what he expects from his team going forward.
First thing first today, gentlemen, how's everybody doing?
Good. War ready.
A couple of things that kind of crossed my eye yesterday. Why in the world would you post on Facebook you're going out drinking? Like the coaches don't see it.
They don't see it.
Why? Drinking and go get bitches. Why?
Who the fuck did
Like
that?
the coaches ain't gonna see it. Look at me. That ain't gonna stop the pain from coming on Sunday. That's what happens when you party and then you drop out of drills after three reps of drills. You gotta lay down, catch your breath, and all that bullshit. I told y'all in my text, stop the bullshit. Y'all want to party? I need to call each other personally, because I see everything on the book. It only makes practice harder for y'all. You gotta get better on this tardiness shit. Coach is not gonna be here until 5, 6 o'clock. Now we can't get better just going 7-on-7 because you're not running the scout office we're playing against. That's not helping my defense at all. At all. If you run the same place Marauders run, I'm fine with it. If you ain't running them, 7-on-7 means nothing. Yes. So why do 7-on-7?
What about the defenses running the set that the other team going to run too?
Can I finish talking before you interrupt me? Because everybody can talk, but the talking is done on the field. If we play like we played in Jersey, it's going to be a long fucking season. Believe that. Because teams ain't getting worse, they're getting better. Combining and shit. You know what I'm saying? Even got them going out so far out where you got to go film the team that we going to play. Not just in Philly. So I asked y'all to step up. Hector's not going to be here till 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. So we say 2 o'clock, we need everybody here at 2. Had it ready to go. Anybody hurt? Anybody sick? Anybody injured? You injured? I know you injured. Who else is injured?
I'm hurt.
Speaker forever.
You got hit him today.
I'm not injured for
The coach asked you to run, do something, don't tell the coach no. When I asked you to hit, we asked you to run with your pads on, run with your pads on.
That's cool.
Y'all gotta get out of this, I'm the greatest shit, man. There's always somebody better than you. There's always somebody better coach than me. But I had in my mind like there ain't, but there always somebody is, because they got the rings, I don't. Proof is in the pudding. So we gotta get this target shit on time, man, so we can have a good 2 hours of practice and get the fuck out of here by 4 o'clock. Hour for defense, hour for offense, and we roll. Everybody understand that?
That's cool.
That's all I ask. Is that hard? We give y'all enough time in the week for y'all to prepare for babysitters and everything. For you coming to practice, tell me you gotta leave at 3:30 is not helping me. It's not. It's not helping me at all. So y'all gotta make adjustments, man. If not, next man up. See this white paper? Depth chart today. Defense. When we start our work, I'm gonna write out whoever's on D tackle, DNs, linebackers, safeties, from 1 to 5. Write it down. You ain't got your shit. You're at the bottom of the list. We hit today.
Oh, what type of hit?
Thuds. They don't hurt nobody today. Learn how to tackle. Not saying you don't, but proper tackle without killing yourselves. Breaking your shit all up. Everybody got that?
Let's go.
Let's go circle it up so we can get started.
Check, check. Boom in the ring. I'm like, damn, start off great.
Hey. No pain, no gain, gentlemen. No pain, no gain.
Yo, this shit is personal. This shit is personal this year.
After Coach Steve sets the expectation for practice, the team gets to it. One team, one voice.
Everybody stand on! North side! How long we get lower? We get lower to the line. North side!
Coach Hector has a drill specifically designed to strengthen his offensive line.
You guys stay. So what's going to happen is, on this drill, we're going to have 3 offensive linemen, 2 defensive linemen. All right? What I want to do is I want you guys to get to me as the linemen. All right? So there's one more offensive. Let me break down this math so you understand what the drill is. Okay? There's one more offensive lineman and there's defensive lineman. I'm doing that on purpose. So you don't got to tell me, Coach, they got one more. That's the drill. You understand?
That's cool.
So at the snap, you got to get to me. As soon as that play's done, you're going to shift to this position, you to there, there, and you step off. And we're going to keep going to rotation. Do you understand that?
That's cool.
Everybody see that? Everybody understand what we're doing?
Yes, sir.
Any questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, not even joking.
Okay.
Like when he slide over and I slide over, we just.
Yep. And then you step out for this until the line keeps going. And keep to the side, but be active.
But we coming straight through the line.
Off strength, off
Y'all
strength,
getting to
off
me.
strength,
On
off
this
strength.
side, you're on defense. All right, we understand?
Oh, yeah.
All right, clear the way for the one to start. You're rotating, clear another side. Yeah.
What? They got one more.
Yeah, they do got one more. And I thank you.
Listen, I had to make sure you want the public
2 feet, what?
You do know you don't got a red jersey on.
I don't. What's up? You ain't gonna hit me. You hit me. If you hit me, if you knock me down, there's no lines to hit. Ain't gonna be paying for that. So, I'm gonna give you 4.5 seconds. That's a long time. O-line, that's a long time. You understand? Y'all got 1 extra. Stop them. Do not let them get to me. Down offense.
Keep the hands moving.
Down offense.
Hold on, Coach.
Get off, Cuz. Get off.
Down. Set. Go. Go.
As Coach Hector works out the offensive line, we pick up with Coach Steve working out the linebackers and DBs.
Come on, B, come on. Come, eat him, eat him.
You wearing down on me, B.
Come on, B.
Wearing down on me.
Down. Go. Stop him, stop him. Stop him. Stop him. Good, good. Rotate, let's go, let's go. Pick it up, rotate. Let's go. Who's up?
Do I rotate off now?
Yeah, you rotate. Were you in? No. Yeah. Off.
Go.
I'll bet you.
This way.
That's balls right, Shank.
This way.
Come on, come on.
I said this way.
Come on.
Come on, baby. Get it right. Come on.
Bend your knees, Shank. Bend your knees. Go. Go. This way.
Come on. Taking the ground and
Faster.
Taking the ground
That
and
way.
Full speed, Shank.
Come.
Come on.
Here we go. Go.
In the gap. In the gap. In the gap. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get this drill quicker. Down. Sit.
That's false start. Come on. Get down. False start.
Down. All right. Set. Go.
Oh, here, pursue. Go. Come on. Go. This way. This way.
Go this way.
Downhill. This way. Downhill. Start over. Come on.
Downhill. Downhill.
Go around.
Come on. Go. Go. Break it down. This way. This way.
Oh, come on. Oh.
This way. Come.
Come on.
Down.
Who left?
Set.
Lean forward, Tim.
Go. Go. Go.
That's holding, dog.
Get some damn work. Let's go. Let's go. Rotate. We working. Let's go. Rotate.
I ain't going yet.
That's why you gotta sit your ass down and pick your feet up. That's how you got the salsa right there. That's somebody giving you the. Come on. That's the,
That way. Go.
Go. Let's go. Let's go. What's up? Let's go, baby. We got to work on.
I ain't hear no whooping.
You right? Ain't working on it. You right? I ain't mad at you. Rotate. Let's go. Down. Let's go.
I think Filet gets you out here in the singing time. Real shit. Filet fuck you up. That nigga. Go, baby.
This way. This way.
downhill.
This way. This way. This way. Go. My man.
Set. Go.
Hold it, beast. Hold it.
Woo. Technique. Nice. Nice. All right.
Go. Go. Go.
Get that ass in him.
Come. Hey. Come on. Yeah. Come on.
Come on.
Come on, Sean. Come on, Sean.
Set. Go.
Oh my God.
All right.
Here we go. Start over. Are we ready?
Get my phone.
Here we go. 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 Oh shit. Here we go.
Set. Go. Here we go. There we go.
Yo, hold on. Yo, D, y'all lining up too far off the ball, yo.
So, why don't you come over here and hit? All y'all been doing is touching your feet.
Get as close to the ball as you can on defense. I'm in the middle.
All right. Line up, offense, line up.
Go. 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 Water.
More shit, yo. Wow. I got my big toe hot. Yeah, real talk. Yeah, I know what you mean. It's so hot as a motherfucker. My heel burning like a motherfucker.
As practice for the position drills breaks for water, some players finish strong, some players finish tired.
And you was punching that too. You was your hand up, guys. Yo, thank you, bro. D-tackle was
He's talking so much shit.
I'm a fuck over that.
I'm tired. Fuck you.
Offense, take water. Go.
Hey, you. You always in your back, man. Step it up, dog. I mean, that's what I ain't never on my back, nigga. I'm tired. You got up. Nigga, I'm tired. Let me dust your back off. Hold up. You good. You work the 6 a.m. Man, chill with it, man.
Yo, you gotta play angry, bro.
This we gotta get it in right here.
You gotta play angry, man.
Listen. You
gonna be tired on the field?
gotta get it in right here.
On a game night, I'm not tired on the game night.
This is when you get in there.
I'll stay the fuck
You
out.
the
I wouldn't go to
biggest
work.
Burnout
the
here.
biggest
This
dude
the
on the
burnout
field,
field.
Stay off your back, man. Stay woke, man. Yo, stay
Stop
woke,
making
man.
up excuses. That's your problem.
Ed Jemima,
That's your problem because you a big bum.
I'm gonna call you Biscuit.
Line up this quick. We went through this one.
All right, yo.
Get hurt. Me and you.
You Biscuit,
Talking
man.
about.
This one with people your size. Why you want somebody smaller than you? Yo, ain't gonna
And I'm with it.
Give me that water. You don't deserve this. Don't get you that with me. Yeah. I mean,
Hey, Shane.
100 deep. It's dark side, nigga. So when I get up, I'm gonna knock you the fuck out.
I'm playing, man. Yo, that's that. I'm fucking dead.
Hey, come there.
Let's go. Get that water. Get up. Right over. What side we on? Behind there.
My team home, we get a little bit of that.
Keep them hands strong. Keep them hands strong.
Welcome everybody. You know all the new people to the Steelers, man. Yeah,
Well,
we war ready. And right here, right now, is where we start the terror.
let's go.
You know what I'm saying? Like, week 1, man, intensity.
Yo.
Practice your craft, yo. That's what we out here to do, man. Be disciplined and show urgency. Feel me? So you got anything?
Pay attention to detail.
everybody, we out here, we ain't out here sacrificing time for my family, for my kids, for my wives, our girlfriends, whatever, our side pieces. We ain't jobs, we ain't sacrificing that shit for nothing. All the shit, all the work we do, when we come together, this is our peace. This is our separation from all the bullshit. Yes, when we come and be with our brothers, this is our time. So we take this time, we don't take it for granted. We here to work. Let's work and get better. We all want to talk our shit. Let's win. Win week in, week out. Intensity. Our practices got to turn up another notch from here on out. Turn it up then.
I say something real
turn it up.
Ain't gonna be long. Yo, fellas, man.
Get the man.
We professional, fellas.
Yes, sir.
All right.
I like that. I like
this practice right here, man. Every practice, yo, we gonna do a little thump. We grown ass men. At the end of the day, we know we ain't getting injured or nothing, but you know we gotta put a we gotta put a hand to all these niggas in
Yo, this first game is personal. This season is personal.
All right.
Dark side on 3, family on 6. 1, 2, 3.